How to turn on and off or toggle on and off your flashlights on iOS. Before we start this tutorial, please make sure to hit subscribe and ring that bell. Okay, here we go. First off, scroll to the bottom from the bottom and you can see the system or a sliding screen, sliding menu over here. And to toggle on and off your flashlight, all you need to do is just to toggle this option. Turn it off, toggle it again. Now if you wanted to also control the luminosity or the intensity of the light, all you need to do is just to hold it, and you can also turn the intensity on like this, turn it to 11 or dial it down back to earth. Okay, and that's pretty much how you turn on or off flashlights on your iOS device. If you find this tutorial to be helpful and you wanted to see more, all you need to do is just to hit subscribe, like, and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at Tech Tricks to cover, please put it on the comment section down below. Cheers, I hope it helps, and until the next tutorial, YouTube, bye.